Good morning, I am Indiana Medina and I am a level 2 English student at the Universidad Bicentenaria Aragua, and today I am going to talk about two types of connectors in English: addition and cause and effect. First, addition is used to add more information to an idea. These connectors help you connect similar talks in a sentence or in a paragraph. Some examples are and, also, moreover, and furthermore. For example, I study English and Spanish. This means I study both languages. Second, cause and effect is used to show the reason for something and its result. These connectors help us explain why something happens. Some examples are because, so, therefore, and as a result. For example, I was tired because I studied later. This shows the cause and the effect. In conclusion, connectors are very important because they help you organize ideas and make our speech or reading clearer. Thank you. See you later.